Hello, good morning students. Welcome back to this science class. Now today we are continuing our chapter, that is chapter number 4, solids, liquids and gases. Previously we have learned about the states of matter and the arrangement of molecules in the solid, liquid and gases. And also we have learned about the change of states. That means on heating the solid change into liquid, we call them melting. On cooling the liquid change into solid, we call them freezing. Or same, on heating the liquid change into gas, we call them evaporation, and on cooling the gas is changing into liquid, we call them condensation. Now we are continuing this chapter by learning about expansion of matter. So matter means anything which have space, which occupy space and which have mass. We call them matter. And matter is made up of molecules. Molecules are very tiny particles which we are unable to see by our naked eyes. We can observe it by microscope only. So when we heat a substance, means किसी भी thing को when we heat it, its size increases. उसकी size क्या हो जाती है? Increase. This increase in size we call that is the expansion of matter. That means expansion. Why it is occur? क्यों expand होता है? Because the movement of particles also increases and the space between the particles also increases. That is why the shape of the substance will increase and the size of material or substance also increase. This we call expansion of matter. Next, it is reverse to the expansion of matter, that is the contraction of matter. So contraction means सिकुड़ना, expansion means फैलना. So when we cool a substance, अगर किसी substance को हम cool करते हैं, its size decrease, and when we heat it increase, and when we cool it, it decrease. So their size is decreases and the movement of particles also decreases, and the space between the particles also decreases. So this is called contraction of matter. Okay. So here is an activity also mentioned in your textbook that to show the matter expands on heating. ये बता रहा है कि matter क्या करता है? Expand करता है heat करने पर. Like there is a ring. It is an iron ring and ball is also here. So when we keep the ball on iron ring, it will stop there on the ring. वो उस ring पे रुक जाती है. And later on, when we heat the iron ring, the size of the iron ring increase, means it expand, so it easily pass through the iron ring. The ball is easily passed through the iron ring. It shows that the matter expands on heating. ये क्या बताता है? Matter क्या होता है? Expand होता है heat करने पर. Okay. Next we will learn about the physical change. What is this physical change? When changes occur only in the shape, size and state of matter, means कि जब कोई change हो रहा है किसी के size में, पतले का मोटा, मोटे का पतला हो रहा है, छोटा का बड़ा, बड़ा का छोटा हो रहा है, या फिर उसका shade black का white हो रहा है, white, ये सब चीज़ें अगर change हो रही है, that change we called it physical change. Or if the changes occur in the states of matter, अगर changes state of matters में हो रहा है, so that is also called as physical change. Okay, so this is called the physical change, and the physical change is a temporary change. Like we keep the tumbler which is filled with the water in the freezer, later on it will be freeze and become the ice. वो ice बन जाता है. And when we remove that container from the freezer, हम उसको बाहर रख देते हैं, later on it will melt, वो पानी बन जाता है, same वापस उस फॉर्म में आ जाता है melting से. ठीक है. So this is the physical change, means कि इनकी जो पोजीशन हो रही है वो क्या हो रही है? इंटरचेंज हो रही है. Okay. Then this change is temporary change. Next one is about the chemical change. Chemical change when the substance changes into a new substance, मतलब पूरा substance क्या होता है? Change हो रहा है new चीज में. That we called it is the chemical change, and this change is a very permanent change. ये क्या है? Permanent change है. Like when we burn a paper, it form into the ash. वो ash में form हो जाता है, but it is not possible for us to change it again into the paper. We are unable to change the ash into the paper. So that change is a permanent change. We will not change it, and it is the irreversible change. What do we call the chemical change is an irreversible. That means वो reverse नहीं होता है. And we can say the physical change is a reversible change. Okay. Same as in the chemical change when we formed a curd. अगर हम curdling करते हैं, curd form करते हैं, milk में हम add कर देते हैं drops of curds. Later on it will freeze. वो क्या हो जाता है? कर्ड में फॉर्म हो जाता है एंड वी विल अनेबल टू चेंज इट इनटू मिल्क. हम उसको मिल्क में चेंज नहीं कर सकते. दैट इज कॉल्ड केमिकल चेंज. एंड इन द फिजिकल चेंज लाइक फिजिकल चेंज क्या है? सपोज जैसे आइस क्यूब का मैंने बताया, आइस से वाटर बटा, वाटर से आइस, देन आइस वाटर से स्टीम, स्टीम से वाटर. दिस इज कॉल्ड द फिजिकल चेंज. सो चिल्ड्रन, so when we are talking about the physical change, then so no new substance form, कोई भी new substance form नहीं होता है. And when we will talking about the chemical change, so new substance form, which new substance form or it will be जो कि change नहीं होता है. So this is about the chapter number 4, solid, liquids and gases. So here are examples given in your textbook that the melting of ice is a physical change and burning of paper is a chemical change. And many more examples given like in the chemical change making a chapati, okay, from wheat flour and curdling of milk. These are the chemical change. We will not reverse it. हम इसको reverse नहीं कर सकते हैं. And same the other examples of physical change like stretching of a rubber. हम rubber band को stretch करते हैं. Later on what happened? वो अगेन अपने साइज में आ जाता है. आई कैन शो यू दैट दिस इज द रबर बैंड इन माय हैंड. सो आई स्ट्रेच इट. मैंने इसको स्ट्रेच किया, अगेन इट्स कम इनटू इट्स ओरिजिनल साइज. दैट इज कॉल्ड द फिजिकल चेंज. नाउ एंड नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल आल्सो गिवन हियर दैट कटिंग ऑफ हेयर. आपके हेयर कट होते हैं लेकिन वापस वो ग्रो हो जाते हैं, लंबे हो जाते हैं. सेम नेल्स का भी आपका दीज आर कॉल्ड फिजिकल चेंज. ये आपका क्या है? फिजिकल चेंज है. So this is about the physical change. So children, you all will write the keywords in your notebook. आपको अपनी notebook में keywords करना है and also learn it because this will ask in the definition form. Now let's discuss about the exercises, that is section A, oral questions. So these two questions, oral question and science question, this will be done in the notebook. Okay. Why is air matter? कि air matter क्यों है? You know the definition of matter is anything that have mass and occupy the space. कि कोई भी चीज़ जिसका मास होता है, occupy space का, same as air को हम किसी कंटेनर में डालते हैं, that can have mass or also occupy the space. That is why we call it air is a matter. Then which form of matter has a definite shape? किस matter का definite shape होता है? Solid, liquids, three matters are there. So solid is only the form which have a definite shape. Now number 3, why do solids expand on heating? Means the solids क्यों expand होता है heat करने पर? Because the movement of molecules increases, so the solid expand. Next is science quiz. Name two solid substance. You can write any two solid substance. Like you can write sugar, salt, book, textbook, pen, all these things. Now next is name the particles that form matter. इससे matter बनता है. So molecules is help us to make up the matter. Name two matter that can flow. Out of 3 state of matter, 2 matters are there, liquids and gases that can flow. Now next is multiple choice question. In which of the following the particles are very close to each other? किसमें particles बहुत ज़्यादा close होते हैं एक दूसरे को? Gases, liquids and solids. So solids you have to tick mark. And next is second, on cooling the movement of particles of a substance. मतलब कि हम cool करते हैं तो movement of particles क्या हो जाता है? Decrease हो जाता है. कूलिंग से डिक्रीज होता है. जैसे आपको अगर गर्मी लग रही है, आपको ना अगर एसी लगाए तो आप वहाँ रिलैक्स होते हो, हाँ मज़ा आ गया. दैट मीन्स यू आर रिलैक्स. आप बिल्कुल आपका जो मूवमेंट है वो स्लो हो गया, डिक्रीज हो गया. ओके. वैसे ही आपको गर्मी लगती है तो आप कहाँ जाऊँ क्या करूँ, आपका मूवमेंट फास्ट हो जाता है. कहाँ पे आपको कूलिंग दिख रही है आप उसकी तरफ भागते हो. सेम एज कि जब किसी चीज़ जब है ना कोई चीज़ कूल हो रही है तो उसका मूवमेंट क्या हो जाता है? डिक्रीज हो जाता है. So number 3, when we heat water, it changes into. जब हम किसी पानी को हीट करते हैं वो किस में चेंज हो जाता है? इससे वाटर वेपर. And on heating a solid expands, contracts or freezes. It expands. Okay. Now next is circle the odd one. Give reason of your choice. So first is book, oxygen and pen. So book and pen both are solid substance and oxygen is a gas, so we have to circle only to the oxygen. And number 2, condensation, evaporation and boiling. So evaporation and boiling belongs to heats, the water. Okay, now condensation is tell about the cooling of water, so we have to circle the condensation. Number 3, carbon dioxide, orange juice and oxygen. So carbon dioxide and oxygen are the gases which we are breathe in or breathe out. And orange juice is a juice which is very yummy, है ना, बहुत yummy होता है, तो circle to orange juice. Now next is fill in the blanks. So particles are more closely packed in dash than in liquids. Means कि liquids में particle closely packed होते हैं, लेकिन liquid से ज़्यादा किसमें closely packed होते हैं? This is only solids. Okay. Now second, solids are generally hard or soft. Solid क्या होता है? Generally hard होता है. Okay. Now number 3, when we dash water, it's change into, अगर हम पानी को क्या करते हैं, जो वो आइस में फॉर्म हो जाता है, हम कूल करते हैं तो वो आइस में फॉर्म हो जाता है. 4, द इफेक्ट ऑफ कूलिंग इज, कूलिंग करने से कौन सा इफेक्ट होता है? कॉन्ट्रैक्शन या एक्सपेंशन, दैट इज द कॉन्ट्रैक्शन. ओके. नंबर 5, द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ डैश डिसाइड द 3 स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर. किसके अरेंजमेंट से डिसाइड होता है कि मैटर फॉर्म हुआ है? दैट इज द मॉलिक्यूल्स अरेंजमेंट. ओके. नंबर 6, द चेंज ऑफ लिक्विड टू सॉलिड means liquid to solid on cooling is called freezing. Okay. Melting मतलब पिघलना, गर्म होने से पिघलते हैं. Okay. Now D and E you have to do by yourself. I'll send the PDF. You just do complete it with the help of the PDF. And section B, MCQs. The molecules of the matter are loosely packed. The state of matter is solid, liquid और gas. वो कौन सा state of matter है जिसमें कि molecules बहुत ज़्यादा loosely packed होते हैं? That is the liquid. Which one is that? Liquid. Next is on cooling the matter. On heating it expand, on cooling it contract. So we have to mark tick to the B option. Next is about very short question answer, short answer question, long question answer. I'll send the PDF. You have to complete these words with the help of PDF. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.